Perfect.
So I haven't done like actual grocery shopping. So I'm eating a PBJ. Got my AJ. Wait, PB and peanut butter jelly. Yeah. I don't know if that made sense. I guess I'll eat right here. I'm 38 weeks. In 2 days. On Monday I make 39 weeks pregnant. That is insane. I'm up early because someone told us, the electrician told us that to save the most energy and cost, wash clothes and use your stove early in the morning. Stove you can't help, like you're gonna cook throughout the day, but we've only used our stove twice. I used it once to make potato salad, so I boiled potatoes and eggs, and then a couple days ago I used it once to bake when we had people over, like to bake salmon. And yeah, so I only used it twice, but I think this is the earliest I've ever washed laundry ever in my life. Probably it's like 6 o'clock. He just left for work, so I have a load going, and then I have one more load to do. So Licky's work clothes, it kind of gets like stinky. So Licky's main uniform for work, it gets dry cleaned from his job, but like the clothes he wears under, you know, like his socks or his underwear or like t-shirt, sometimes it gets nasty, so he leaves it outside. So I have 2 loads to do. I have like our personal load of all our clothes, and then I have his work clothes separate. And then he's trying to make me do clothes like separated by like, you know, darks, colors, and whites or whatever the hell, and I don't do that. Like, that's too much work for me. But right now we don't even have that much laundry for it. Like, we just, our little basket, I think it's like this big because it fits in the bottom of our closet in the bathroom. It's like that big and I think it was just full. And if I separate that, that's so much loads of unnecessary laundry that I feel like is just wasting. But I just shoved it all together, and plus we're wearing the same clothes over and over. We still haven't got all our clothes from my dad's house yet, so I mean, it's not like it's good clothes anyways. Like our junk clothes, like our bust up clothes, like the clothes you see me in all the time is the clothes we're washing. But also I got my lashes done. Sorry, I didn't even like wash my face yet because I just got up. I know it's gross, but you can't smell me, so let me enjoy my PB&J and then I'll brush my teeth after. But I get it. I'll put her name right here. This is her Instagram if you guys are on Oahu. I've only let 2 girls lash me. The first girl I loved, but then like a couple years, when I was pregnant with Leia, she moved to Vegas. So then I found this new lash girl, and this is the only other girl that I've let touch my lashes. But I went for volume. She did it full. She knows I like full and dramatic, and you know, gotta fly away while in labor. I know Licky see me, he's like, oh, those are long. That's what I wanted. That is what I wanted. But yeah, PB&J's for breakfast because I'm hungry. And it's so much easier. I still don't eat meat. We have like hot dog and steak and stuff, but I'm not eating that. Is that my dog barking? I gotta close the curtain for a sliding door. Leaky left it, like the curtain open, but the door is locked, so I could go in and out with the to do laundry. But it's so dark outside that I can't see. But Haku is right over there. But I don't want nobody watching me. I'm gonna go close it. Our dining room is a mess, but we're home. We went to Costco. We're gonna enjoy some ice cream with the girls. Look, you're so dirty.
Because it's not a mess. No. I got them on my hand.
We also got washer dryer covers because since our stuff is outside, I want to keep it nice. So I'm gonna wipe down the dryer and then put our cover on.
No.
I just did laundry, baby, and now you're gonna have to take all that off when we go in the house. Ay, la. So high, you're not cold. Okay, come on, I'm gonna. You went higher? Dang, girl. Good job, dude. Update, Liv's been sleeping in her room. With Erin. So proud. You're a big girl now? But when she has issues with the iPad, she kind of keeps coming in my room. Make sure it's done. Ari, soften yours, please, and put your light down. Okay, good night. Love you guys. Today has somewhat been a busy day. I went to my dad's house, loaded the truck. I'll show you because everything's still in the truck. But my dad broke down the crib that was at his house and built it back up here. So I put the mattress on, got the sheet, got that thing. I put the mobile up. And then I put all her clean stuff. So this is extra sheets, extra blankets. And then this is her newborn clothes that I did wash. I know it looks like a hot mess, but I was like, whatever. The ones that aren't packed in her diaper hospital bag, I have in here. Over here, I have burp cloths, bibs, and headbands. And then over here, I have all towels and then washcloths. Oh, I'm out of breath. And then on this side, I have a pack of newborn diapers and then her wipe warmer. The wipe warmer is not set up yet because I feel like it's just going to be plugged in for like no reason. And then this is the control for her mobile that I need to add batteries in, so it doesn't even really work right now. But yeah, isn't it cute? Isn't it cute? I'm really liking it. Yes.
Do not coming out in the toilet.
Oh, you may do. Okay, I'll fix it. And then still don't have a bed set. We probably will get one later. Like, I don't feel like it's a it's a need at this moment. But look, her crib fits perfectly in our room. So I chose to keep her crib in our room because I plan to nurse and breastfeed. So I feel like it's going to be the easiest. Yeah, the easiest to do in my room. But eventually, you know, they'll all have their own shared rooms or whatever. And then this is still like, I still need to make my desk. I need my office. But then I still have baby stuff in here. So I need to wash that so I can add that to her crib.
Mommy, build that.
Yeah, we don't need to build that yet. She's still too little. And then these are newborns right here. So I need to wash these.
Oh.
And then I found a couple more newborns somewhere else. Oh, and blankets that I need to wash. But we'll get to that later. Yeah?
Yeah, look at that.
Okay, get out. Mommy's going to close it.
What's that?
It's for Lily, but that's still, she's too little for that. So freaking high maintenance with his clothes. I had to wash it on delicate and then air dry it. So this is me air drying it. Like, what the hell? I don't even do this for my own damn clothes. And this is just one load, okay? These are just his jeans. His jeans, not including his white jeans and all of that BS. Oh, well, good morning. Look, his dad just took Ari to school. He just picked her up, and then Leah has doctors at 10. And I'm working on laundry. Great. He ended up giving in and buying the Dyson V11 torque drive. And then also we got this. The Best Buy guy kind of sold us on it, or sold him on it. It's a Hoover Power Scrub Elite Pet. It's supposed to be good. I looked at the reviews and it was bomb. So waiting for that to charge and I'm going to use that. I don't know if I'm using this today because I got to do some research on how to work it. Like, I've done so much research on that, so I kind of figured it out. But this, I gotta do more research on this. And then this is all the pieces for the Dyson. Look how cute it is. This charging.
Which is why it saddens me to announce.
You guys vacuum your guys' couches often? That's just from our whole sectional, and I'm about to do this part. Oops. But look at that. That's nasty. Living room is done and I'm tired, and this is how much we got from the living room and the couch. Can you see all that? Now I gotta do the bedrooms and the bathrooms, but I need a break. Let me see. We got 16 minutes. I guess I'll go do the bathrooms, then charge it. But it wasn't fully charged because I just wanted to get started. Oh, look at all that. That's nasty. Who's that? Haku, is that your brother? Sony's son, Licky will have. Oh, what's your matter? Oh, what's the matter? Oh, what's the matter? And to be more dramatic, Licky and his dad returned our old Roomba to get a brand new Roomba, and the thing was on sale, so we saved $50. Now we got all new stuff in our house.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Guys, I have not vlogged today, but I am still pregnante. I made 39 weeks on Monday. Today it's Tuesday. Oh, yesterday. So my dad came over. He cooked us some fried ahi belly, and basically I did a lot of cleaning today. Kind of deep cleaned my house, and yeah, that's basically what the haps was today. So I'm gonna end the vlog here because
I haven't picked up the camera all day, so I don't know when I'm going to pick up the camera again, because basically I've just been cleaning and moving things in at 39 weeks pregnant, you know. Like, that's just what's been happening. Been washing a lot of laundry, trying to get everything sorted. Washed all the bed sheets today. Cleaned the couches. Well, I think you seen that yesterday, but I did it again. I want to clean all the pillows, so the pillows can come out of the case. So I really want to do that. Roomba is cleaning, the new one. And that's about it. I don't know what else to say. I gotta take Ari to school tomorrow. I feel like the next time you might see me vlogging may or may not be when I give birth. I don't know, because I don't know what else to show you guys. I feel like I'm showing you guys the same thing with our house. Like, unless you like seeing our house, let me know, and you just want to see the random things that I've been doing while being in our new house. I don't know. But if I don't give birth this weekend, Leaky is off Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So we're planning on going back to my dad's and packing up more things, like things that I can't really carry on my own. Things that Leaky would need to help me with, because he has the truck. But I mean, I can do it, but I shouldn't be doing it because I'm just so pregnant. But yeah, since my dad fried the fish in the house, I have our air purifier on. I had all the windows open, I had the doors open, I had all the room doors closed, because I don't want my house smelling like fish. But the air purifier really does work. If you guys don't have an air purifier, you guys should definitely get one, because it really does work. Like, my house doesn't smell like fish, and I didn't even Febreze. I was gonna Febreze it, but I didn't. And then when I came out of the shower, I was like, it doesn't even smell like fishy. Man, this new Roomba though is kind of loud. Do you hear that? But yeah, I don't know what else to update you guys on. Lily is still in me. I've just learned to be patient. She'll come when she comes, because it gives me more time to get things ready, do things. I don't know, give my mom more time to get here. She's supposed to get here, I think, next week. Yeah, it's supposed to be the first week of March. I don't know if she booked her flight yet. I've been texting her. Homegirl has not been replying, but she lives in Vegas, so maybe I text her like when she's sleeping, or when it's too early, she's at work and she just is busy and never gets back to me. I have no idea. Mom, if you're watching this, text me back or call me or something. But yeah, she's supposed to come first week of March. Don't know if that's still happening. Still don't want to give birth on Friday. Is Friday the leap year day? I think it is. But yeah, that's just what's been happening. 39 weeks pregnant and moving, trying to get like a thumbnail, you know, to look cool and cute. I don't think there's nothing for me to put my stuff on at this moment. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I see you guys. Keep sharing, because this stay-at-home mama needs some money. I need some money for our bills. We get bill, I think our first bill is actually March 2nd. It's either March 2nd or March 3rd, and that's our electric bill. It's the first bill. So, you know, help me out. Watch my ads, share me, like, thumbs up. It helps, because it shows other people that my shiz is good and other people should watch it. So you guys should help me out if you guys support me, and shout me out like on Instagram or something. I don't know. Yeah, your girl trying to get that. You gotta get more money, gotta pay these bills, you know. But yeah, so that's all I gotta say for now. I'll see you guys in my next video.